Process of becoming a real estate builder from a real estate agent. Yes, you heard it right, dear friends. In this video, I'll tell you the entire process that how you can become a builder from a real estate agent. But it is only possible if you have done a very good work as an agent and you have collected some amount of the money and you know how to do marketing and sales. Other than that, what are the things which you have to learn to become a builder? I'll explain you in this video. So watch this video till the end. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate entrepreneur. We as a team have done a research on real estate on so many topics by interacting with people, those who bought real estate in their life, by interacting with the employees in the real estate, and by interacting with more than 100 plus CEOs of real estate, those who are a very good builder or a developer in their life. And those who are doing a turnover of more than 500 crore, 5,000 crore or sometimes 25,000 crores in their life. All these points are research based. And most of them have started their life as an agent. They have grown their business. They have collected the money. They have taken risk and then they have started their construction business or they have become a builder. So what are those steps? Step number 1, project planning and sanctioning you have to learn. Yes, my dear friends, if you want to become a builder from an agent, you have to learn the most important thing, that is planning a project at the right place, at the right location, at the right cost, and do a process of sanctioning. In your initial days, you have to do all this by yourself. When you become a big builder, when you have many projects running at a time, then slowly you can start recruiting more people. The second most important thing what you have to learn is purchase management. The moment you have done a proper project planning, the moment your project is sanctioned, now the next most important skill as an agent you have to learn to become a very good builder is purchase management. What kind of product you require to build the exact amount of the product what you have promised to your customers while you are selling the product. Because you have given 5-10 years of your life already as an agent to this industry, we feel and we believe that you know the basic aspects related with sales and marketing. Now the important aspects are learning all these things. Second, the moment you know about purchase management, that from where you can buy a product at a good cost, you can negotiate at a better level so that you can provide a good product to your client by buying at good affordable rates, a good quality product. Third skill you have to learn is labor management. Now when you start early or when you are a builder which is building first project or a second project, managing the labor is very important. Even though you give a contract to a vendor for construction, but there were so many people which were directly attached to you. So if you know this skill or if you learn the skill and the art of managing the labor, you can become a very good builder in the future. Fourth and the most important thing you have to learn is quality check. When your schemes work is going on, when your apartments work is going on, or when your townships work is going on, at that time you have to realize that on which parameters you have to check the work. If suppose I am talking about the level and the quality of the construction, you have to check the width of the pillar, what kind of iron rods or the bars were being used by the vendor, what kind of cement you are using, what is the strength of that cement or what is the quality of the cement, what is the type of the window which you will give to your clients, what are the kinds of tiles you will give, what are the kinds of lights you will use, everything. And the things what have been done already on your project, you have to visit project and check rigorously and continuously that is the quality work is going on or not. And the fifth and the important thing what you have to learn is construction management. Now the entire project management, construction management is something which you have to learn from starting. You can outsource few of the work, but you cannot outsource everything in start. Because if you really want to become a good builder, you have to do a hard work for the first 1 or 2 years. The moment you understand each and every aspect, then you can start outsourcing things, recruiting teams and all. My message is very clear. If you really want to become a builder from an agent, you have to learn the skills which were very important to become a good builder. And with a prior consideration, we were thinking that as an agent, you know sales and marketing. So you don't have a tension, because if you have sold so many units as an agent for others, now we are damn sure that you can sell your own product very easily. Now, if you have the capacity to sell and do proper marketing, then learning these 5 skills can make you a very good builder. And this is the entire process what we have explained in this video. If you really want us to make videos on some other topics on real estate, please comment below. We'll make a video on that topic. If you feel that this video is really valuable and this video should reach to many people across the world, download the link, download the video, share it on WhatsApp and Telegram, or you can directly share the link. And if you feel that you can become a part of our mission or you want to learn something from us, you can contact on our official number. We want to thank you from the bottom of our heart for liking our videos, for subscribing our channel and for supporting us till date. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.